Okay, now it's time for us to create our custom objects. Let's click on Setup, Objects, New Custom Object. Let's have a look back at our nouns that we identified as part of our requirements. We're going to create a request and a stock object. You're going to be pretty empty right now, but it's a start. Okay, we're going to say it is an order number, request name. Give it a simple display format. We're going to create a custom tab as well. Let's pick an item. Chalkboard looks good. Next. Now by default, we want this tab hidden, but for our two users of our request tracker app, we want it available and visible. So our two profiles now have it set up. Let's click Next. We only want to include the tabs in our request tracker app and hit Save. So we'll see here we have our request tab. We want to create our next object. So we look back at our noun list again, and the other one we were going to create was stock. Let's create that quickly. Let's set it to an auto number as well. Simple display format, starting at 1. And we're going to create another custom tab. This time we're going to make the visibility a little bit differently. First, let's pick up let's choose a box. It's good and representative for a stock. Click Next. So what we're going to do again, set it to tab hidden, but this time we're only going to enable it to our IT users. We certainly don't want our advertising executives to be able to go in and have a look at the stock and potentially bypass the system. So let's click Next. Included only in our request tracker app. Hit Save. And we're done. We have our request and stock objects. It's the start of our data model. It's pretty basic right now. And we have our custom tabs in our application.